So YouTube, come back to the channel. How y'all doing? As you can see from the title, man, I got another reaction video for y'all. You feel me? I got another one. Nah, it's a banger. I'm telling you, I got my boy Richie. You already know how we coming, man. You already know how we doing it. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of y'all was requesting it. So I'm about to give it to y'all, man. If you're new, subscribe to your notification, man. 70,000 is on the way. I ain't finna talk too much, man. You already know what's going on. You already know how I'm coming. Nah, man, I'm coming with the bangers. With the bangers. You feel what I'm saying? So subscribe, turn your notification, share this video, man. Leave a big fat thumbs up. And let's get straight to it, man. Let's go.
Huh. What? Yeah. Toby and Rich. Toby and Rich. Huh. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Tên tiếng ca sâu với chị Tô. Tháng ngày đâu bằng vì đi tô. Yeah. Công hoạt động phong nhạc đi tô. Không biết thì cầm đi cô. Yeah. Flow sắc như là đao của Inu. Ngồi trên cô bung bánh cùng anh em tôi vivo. Fuck all the fake you we cold. Em nói em thích ai là vì tough. Miệng tôi mày ta nên tao vẽ thành làng ra tao luôn ngẩn như cõi đời mà không sao đâu em ơi. Bao nhiêu cuộc chơi rồi thêm bao nhiêu cuộc vui thì mới hiểu được ý nghĩa khi cơn mưa đêm kia rơi. Rapping circle ra là để tuổi tao bật bếp, Shiki đâu bật biết nó một tiếng quy sơi. Lại bắn thêm cuộc trip để tao pha đôi khét nghe tao đập nó trong club ai cũng nhảy như b-boy. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go.
Mấy anh em tao đi chạy lăn Vina bốn bánh freeway lương bên đó có mi nơi tay lady go first gonna rest me pay holla we keep it humble we fuck that rumble take that jumbo holla we keep it humble we fuck that rumble take that jumbo yo ta thấy mấy lối kia là my game mấy em bé muốn đến làm quen kia lên trên đó đến đóng bằng khen cơn công lên lưng màn đêm yeah high tech AP in my collection lately my dick already yeah hop on the ride baby đâu kia mấy con tim mà đang mơ men khơi ghe canh tôi đã mua được ngang cơ fuck mấy thằng phu anh chỉ biết đi sang thơ lại cho con Trump để anh know the banger cash mấy tờ giây thử cách anh chơi fresh mua Dior cũng nút phanh phơi ơi yêu đâu đây sao thấy tầm hơi à baby for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it.
We might have to play this shit one more time, man. We might have to play this shit one more time for y'all. You feel me? This shit was a banger. I fuck with this. I fuck with this a lot. Shout out to whoever requested this shit. Nah, I mean, my boy Richie, he always go crazy. Nah, I mean, oh Richie and Obito, they always go crazy, man. That's a collab we needed type shit. Nah, man, they're both viral. They're both talented artists. You feel what I'm saying? Nah, we needed this. We needed this for sure. Yes. A little fly in here, man. Holy, I ain't cutting shit. But yeah, let's play this shit one more time, man. This shit was viral.
Huh. What? Yeah. Toby and Rich. Toby and Rich. Huh. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Tên tiếng ca sâu với chị Tô. Tháng ngày đâu bằng vì đi tô. Yeah. Công hoạt động nhạc đi tô. Không biết thì cầm đi cô. Yeah. Flow sắc như là đao của Inu. Ngồi trên cô bung bánh cùng anh em tôi vivo. Fuck all the fake you we cold. Em nói em thích ai là vì tough. Miệng tụi mày tan nên tao vẽ thành làn ra tao luôn ngẩn như cõi đời mà không sao đâu em ơi. Bao nhiêu cuộc chơi rồi thêm bao nhiêu cuộc vui thì mới hiểu được ý nghĩa khi cơn mưa đêm kia rơi. Rapping circle ra là để tuổi tao bật bếp, Shiki nó bật biết nó một tiếng quy sơi. Lại bắn thêm cuộc trip để tao pha được hit nghe tao đập nó trong club ai cũng nhảy như b-boy. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know it. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know it. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go, I know what I know it. Fuck that bitch should I go, fuck that bitch should I go.
Mấy anh em tao đi chạy lăn Vina bốn bánh freeway lương bên đó có mi nơi tay lady go first gonna rest me pay holla we keep it humble we fuck that rumble take that jumbo holla 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 we keep it humble we fuck that rumble take that jumbo yo ta đang thay mấy lối kia là my game mấy em bé muốn đến làm quen kia lên trên đó đang đóng bằng khen cơn công cơm lên lưng màn đêm yeah yeah high sec AP in my collection lately my dick already yeah hop on the ride baby đâu kia thấy mấy con tim mới đang mơ mấy khơi ghe canh tôi đã mua được ngang cơ fuck mấy thằng phu anh chỉ biết đi sang thơ lại cho con Trump nên đâu đã banger cash mấy tờ giấy thử cách anh chơi fresh moody on không lúc phanh phơi ơi hiểu đâu đây sao thấy tâm hơi là baby for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it for that bitch and I go for that bitch and I go I know it.
Man, the shit was viral, man. Shout out to my boys, man. You feel me? They killed it. They always go crazy, man. You feel me? This is what we needed. I'm not gonna lie. This is what we needed. Man, like again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, man. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, my nigga. You feel me? There's gonna be more reaction coming your way. So stay tuned for that. I love y'all boys. I appreciate y'all, every single one of y'all. Follow me on my Instagram. It's down in the description. So y'all go make sure and go check that out, man. Subscribe. I know you subscribe, but you gotta subscribe, bro. You gotta subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? You gotta subscribe, bro. I know you subscribe, but you gotta subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? 70,000, man. Click that subscribe button, man. It's free. It is free, bro. Know what I mean? It is free. Subscribe down below to your notification, man. I love y'all boys. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see you guys into the next reaction, man. And we motherfucking gone. You hear me? We motherfucking gone. Subscribe. Subscribe. And I'm gone, man. You feel what I'm saying? But hey, one more thing, man. You feel me? Before I even get out of here, I want to say this: 100,000 this year. We're gonna hit that 100,000. You feel me? We're getting that YouTube plat. Now, me, I know I got a lot of work to do. You feel me? I know I got a lot of work to do. But hey, we hitting that 100,000. You feel me? And I want you to be a part of the fam. So just share this video, man. Leave a big fat thumbs up, man. Turn on your notifications to not miss any of my uploads, man. Cause I drop bangers. I mean, I drop whatever y'all want me to react to. You feel what I'm saying? And I want you to be a part of it. I want you to be a part of the family. Now, man, subscribe, man. Do your thing. You know what to do, man. You feel me? It's about JulesReacts. And I'm going for real. I'm going this time. I'm going.